Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on the Vinted application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Vinted application on your smartphone, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you may proceed forward with your Facebook, your Google account, as well as your email address and your password. Now after logging in, you will end up within the homepage. From here, you can browse through various different products that you might be interested in. Now, just above each product, you will see the poster or the user that has added this product for sale. You can simply tap on this profile in order to view all of their postings. Once you are inside their profile page, in order to follow them, you can simply tap on the follow button, and now you will become a follower of this user right away. Once you have followed this user, you will be able to text and message with them once they have followed you back as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to follow someone on the Vinted shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.